This yellow cart, really nice for hauling all my video equipment. Probably got about 100 pounds of video gear in here. Tripods, light stands, several cameras. And this cart makes it so easy to haul the stuff outside. Here's the wheels on the video cart. You can see on one end they don't rotate, on the other end they do. So this allows you to make turns a little bit with it. Let me pull it out of here. This is what it looks like. So it's small enough to fit in the back seat of a sedan or your trunk. This is what it looks like when it's all folded up. To get the bar to lift up, you just step your foot on here and it locks it into place, and now you can push your cart, you can spin it around in circles. Again, it's pretty handy when it's time to fold it up. Again, just step on the bail on the end and you can put it away. That's it. Super easy. A very nice cart. Very nice, super handy cart. Great for all my video gear.